Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Are you guys ready for a magazine flip through that is actually all crochet magazine or all crochet in the magazine? Sorry, I'm all tongue tied. So a lot of the most recent magazine videos that I've done have all been the work basket magazines that are not just crochet. So I thought, you know what, I am ready to sit back and do a video that is crochet only magazine. So I picked out one, and this one caught my attention because these are adorable, or this is adorable. I picked out a crochet newsletter, an Annie's crochet newsletter to be specific. And look at that! Isn't that adorable? I love that. I don't know why the cover is very, it's very like they did the picture to have extra, like, what am I trying to say? Like, it has, like a glow about it. It's kind of odd. Anywho, let's get to it. Ooh, this is a painted daisy afghan. Look at that. I love the color combination. I was trying to see if how the flower was worked. Okay. I was thinking that the flower was one of those flowers that has the a bunch of loops and then you crochet around all of those loops like a loop stitch, but it's not. It's the actual petals. Squares are pretty. All right. We have next pattern. Spring flowers doily. Is it just one? That is pretty. I don't know. I look at that and I think winter. I instantly think of a snowflake in the center. And then, you know, blue and white, winter. Which I realize that's more of a yellow color, but I see a snowflake. But it's very pretty. Maybe it's because Christmas is on my mind. With all of the tutorials I've been working on. Okay, so this is a little, it says round table, letters from our readers. This says, Dear Annie, enclosed is a photo of my version of the cat afghan in Annie's Crochet newsletter number 88 on page 14. Instead of embroidering in the cats, I just dropped one color and picked up the other, then I did the necessary backstitching. Love your magazines. This is from Francis from Tonawanda, New York. And then they say, thank you for your letter, Francis. What a fun idea. We are always inspired by our readers' creativity and would like to encourage the rest of you to share your successes with us. Write us at da-da-da-da. And here's a little picture of the afghan she made. Adorable. Here is a desert rose plate doily. So I'm assuming a plate doily must be like a hot pad. Look at that. That is pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at the roses. Fun fact, my favorite flower of all time is a rose. My daughter's middle name is Rose, and I have a few tattoos that are roses. Okay, so the next one is a, oh boy, I don't know how you pronounce this. Bruges. Bruges, I think. I don't know. I'll show you guys. But there is the table cover. Very pretty. And then here's the word I'm trying to say. Bruges. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, the E, or it's a vowel, consonant vowel, so that E would make the U a U sound. So like Bruges, or am I wrong and it's Bruges? I don't know. Anywho, my camera is a little wonky looking. There we go. I have no idea. Let's see. Let me keep flipping. Okay, so here is a section called Off the Hook. Answer to your crochet problems. The question is it just one? Yeah, so it's just one. It says, I like the pretty patterns that variegated yarns or thread make, but how can I fasten on a new ball or skein of variegated and still maintain the color pattern? Also, when it comes to changing yarn colors, I always end up with my balls of yarn tangled. Can you help? Also, when it comes to changing yarn colors, oh, so she means like when she's carrying the yarn through the pattern, like, and she got to switch colors, right? Because surely she doesn't mean like changing color as in like, you know, you cut the yarn and change color. I think. I don't know. Can you help? Okay, answer. To maintain the variegated pattern, first make sure you are using yarn or thread from the same dye lot. Then, when you come to the end of your ball or skein, begin the new ball or skein with the same color you ended with. You may need to trim some of the, I've done this, you may need to trim some of the other colors off the end of the yarn, but then it should keep your pattern going. So basically, like, what I've done is I've used up an entire skein of a variegated, and then I'll pull out the next skein, and because, you know, once you've worked an entire skein of variegated yarn, you kind of know what the next color is going to be, or you know the color sequence is what I should say. So you know, pull out so much. Okay, here's the color sequence. I'm just going to go red, white, blue, red, white, blue, red, white, blue. So when you start that new skein and you pull out that yarn, if it goes white, blue, red, white, blue, red, white, blue, red, white, blue, so you just cut off that first section so it's red, white, blue, and then, you know, cut it so where it starts red, white, blue, red, white, blue. I've done that before. You may need to trim some of the other colors off the end of the yarn, but this should keep your pattern going. When it comes to keeping yarn colors separated, we like this idea from one of our readers. R. Alfieri of Pennsylvania wrote us saying, take a lap tray or cookie sheet, some plastic dishes or containers big enough to hold. I already love this idea. I don't know exactly what she's getting ready to say, but I love this idea. If it involves anything in my house that I can go pick up and use, I don't have to go buy something, I'm game. I love this. Okay. Take a lap tray or a cookie sheet, some plastic dishes or containers big enough to hold a ball of yarn with double face tape or hot glue, secure the dishes to the tray. Then fill the containers with your yarn and put the tray on a table in front of you. When you finish a row, just lay your work on the tray and turn the tray around to start the next row. This keeps your yarn from tangling and can cut your crochet time in half. Either I'm not 100% understanding that, or I don't think that's right. Or not, I'm sorry. It's not that I don't think it's right. I think that would only work for certain patterns. I don't think that would work for, I guess, I don't know. It's a bunch of different things it could be. It could be completely accurate and that's exactly how you should do it, or it's not done the way I'm thinking that they're talking about. Because in my mind, tell me if I'm wrong, guys. Please tell me if I'm wrong anytime. So what I'm thinking is she is asking, you know, let's say, okay, so that cat Afghan that I just showed you, this. So in my mind, I'm thinking that she's asking, so this purple one right here, that she's getting confused or getting tangled in the skeins of yarn going from purple to yellow to purple and then purple to yellow. And so the yarn she's working with is getting tangled as she's switching back and forth. That's what I'm getting that she's asking. If that's not what she's asking and I'm just a doofus and I get confused easily, I don't know. That's a little odd to me. Anyway, moving on. Ooh, this is cute. A diamond popcorn purse. I really like that. Hi, Fuzzy Butt. My cat just came in and jumped up on the bed. I really like that bag. That's cute. Oh, okay. Here is the... Oh, so the doll this is in... Or, the doll this is on, I know as a Sydney doll. Back when I used to buy all the crochet craft dolls that I could, a Cindy doll is one that I heard of, but I had never bought one. But this is a christening gown, and it comes with booties. What on earth was that? It comes with booties, a gown, and the bonnet. What are you guys doing? Bubby. What are you doing? You guys want to see our little baby? Oh, he's gone. He is the baby of our family, and my husband, it is his little precious baby. And he calls him his little Prince of Persia. And he does no wrong, ever. It is a little butt. I don't know where he went. He was just in here. Anyway, so now this is pretty cute. I like this. I'm not a huge horse person, but if anyone knows a horse person that you need to gift something for, this would be pretty cool. These are Arabian horse pot holders. That is very, very cute. And you could just change the color, and you know, you can match it to the person's horse. Great idea. All right, what do we got now? Add. It's a lot of ad. Oh, that's why there's a lot of, not ad, sorry. I feel like I need to hiccup. Okay, so the reason there was, I didn't mean ad, I meant so much pattern, is because this adorable little set, this is the Little Red Schoolhouse Afghan and Pillow Set. Look at that. That reminds me of a quilt top. That is very cute. I like that a lot. For like a country home, lay that on your couch. Well, that was it. Dang it. I was hoping there was going to be more. That's all right. Oh, okay. Here's a little section that says coming next issue. I like these. These are cute. So you got a lampshade, a clock, and a, that could be like a little hot pad or a blanket. Hi, Bubby. Here is my husband's little baby, if I can get him without him taking off running on me. Come here, Bubby. What is the matter with you? Oh. Here he is. This is Bubby. He's my husband's little baby that never does any wrong. He bites me in the face in the morning when I don't get out of bed in time to go downstairs and get my coffee, because he won't go eat until I go downstairs to get my coffee. So if I don't get up to go downstairs and he's hungry, he comes and he like bites at my face. And, oh, it hurts because he's got sharp little teeth, and I just want to thump him right in the head every time he does that. But I grab him and then I just bear hug him and kiss him, and then I get up and go get my coffee so he can eat, because he won't without me down there. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for this quick little video. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.